Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with a car video, and basically my windows on my 2012 Nissan Altima were not opening up, or at least on my side it was, but the rest of them weren't opening up. So I got this switch from Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for the one that I got, and hopefully this will solve your problem. This is probably your best bet on fixing this problem. All you really need is a flathead screwdriver. So hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. Also make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.